Here's where the boom came detached from the machine. Okay, here's the bottom of the boom, the profile. You're looking at the left side, and I'm going to zoom out and we're going to see, let's see, the outside, and that's the right side, the profile of the bottom of the boom. Inside where the boom rides on the machine, forget what Steve calls this, fish, kind of fish backing. In welders' terms. So this is the profile of the boom coming off of the machine. The boom hydraulic rams are all the way in the up position. The boom's, I think, fully up, and the stick is fully outwards, and the bucket too, I think, is fully outwards. And let me give you I guess a better profile. And here's a better profile. Boom hydraulic rams all the way up, so the boom is all the way at its height, and then the stick is, the ram is all the way in one direction, so the stick is extended outward the most, and then the bucket is fully extended outwards. And it's resting on gravel. And so the bottom of the boom is being held by that laminate sheet steel metal, fish something or the other, and the bucket is, I guess, holding it steady, being stuck in the gravel, and then the boom hydraulics holding it up. Okay. So the question is can we put the boom into place and weld it on site? I think it can be done. I think if you, I guess, pull in the bucket, anyway, I'll leave that up to you all to discuss with me. And then I'm not in water, I'm sitting on boards. Here, hold on. Here we go. I'm sitting in 2 or 3 inches of water on boards, and this is on compacted rocks, and the water flows through here at about, I don't know, 700 or 800 gallons a minute is what I gather, maybe less. You can see the flow. And I'm on these wooden 4 feet wide by 16 foot long by 8 inches tall wood oak mats. I'm pretty solid, but I might be able to walk out of here if I secured the boom somehow.